Grupong katambalan ni Mayor Duterte na si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano ay mayroong tinatawag na conspiracy theory. Nagsasabwatan daw laban kay Mayor Duterte ang ilang malalaking personalidad. Narito ang pagtutok ni Tina Panganiban Perez.
Sabi ng running mate ni Mayor Rodrigo Duterte na si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano, ang kontrobersyal na anti-Duterte TV ad ay bahagi ng nilutong sabwatan daw ng malalaking tao na ginamit lang si Trillanes.
I'd like to thank with all my heart President Aquino, Mar Rojas, Grace Po, and ABS-CBN management because of your actions, your conspiracy, because of the elite conspiracy to shoot down a Duterte presidency. This ad is actually helping us a lot.
Meron daw insider sa palasyo na nagsabi kay Cayetano tungkol sa umunoy sabwatan para hindi manalo si Duterte.
We have confirmed that the palace was trying to get either Secmar or Grace Po, Senator Po, to meet and for one of them to withdraw. The problem is tumaas si Secmar sa surveys ng liberal, pero kahit sa surveys ni Senator Po, halos pantay na sila. So hindi sila mag-agree kung sino ang magwi-withdraw. But my enemy's enemy is my friend, so they just agreed on the last 2 weeks of a demolition job.
Kinwestiyon ni Cayetano kung bakit kung kailan patapos na ang panahon ng kampanya, saka ipalalabas ang mapanirang ad at wala na silang pagkakataong sagutin ito. Ayon kay Cayetano, para na rin daw itong pandaraya.
This is as bad as Hello Garci. This is really interfering with the sovereignty of the Filipino people. This is cheating as it in its worst. Anong kaibahan na papalitan mo yung balota at anong kaibahan na gagamitin mo ang pera ng iilan at yung broadcast para to change people's mind na walang fairness.
Tina Panganiban Perez, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.